Did you know that sign language is not just one language? Each place or each country around the world has its own sign language. Just like each place has its own language, similarly, each place has its own sign language. So it could be American Sign Language, British Sign Language, Russian Sign Language, Australian Sign Language, or Chinese Sign Language. They all have their own sign languages. So now we will learn two languages simultaneously, some signs of ISL and some signs of ASL, both together. Okay? Father, father. Mother or mom, mother, mother. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Son, 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 or son. Daughter, daughter, daughter. Teacher, teacher, teach person. Teach, teach. Meeting, meeting, meeting. Breakfast, morning food. Breakfast. Afternoon food, lunch. Afternoon food or lunch. Dinner, evening food. Dinner, evening food or dinner. Explain, explain. Decide, 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 decide. Do, do, do or action. That's it. Goodbye. Keep practicing. Bye bye.